In the last few classes, we started writing the code for ADSL, and so far, first of all, we created a library for all the stadium source data sets. Then after that, what we did, we have created we developed a macro for sorting, and then after that, we have created all the possible variables that what we can do from the DM domain, and then we created a variable that we can do it from the subject characteristics, and then we have created a height baseline, weight baseline, BMA baseline from the vital signs, and we created one final asset called ADSL underscore VS, and then informed consent date, last known contact date, then we have done treatment end date, then we get date of discontinuation date, early termination code, reason for early termination, and then we did last known contact date, and then finally we merged all the variables and we created one ADSL underscore TS. So this is what we have done in the last class. And then now tell me, what are the variables that you can do it now? Now I want to derive the variables that what we can do from exposure domain, and here we have the first variable called TRT01P, planned treatment for period 01, actual treatment for period 1, planned treatment for period 2, actual, planned, actual. Now in this way, can you see how many treatments that we have in the given study? We have total 5 treatments. Okay, we have total 5 treatments. So now the first variable I want to have a TRT01P. Now can you see what is the value we should have in that? Set it to 30 mg. So they are asking us hard code it as a 30 mg. And the TRT02P 60 mg. TRT03P 120 mg. TRT04P 180 mg. TRT05P 240 mg. So we should have 5 treatments: TRT01P, 2P, 3P, 4P, and 5P. And after that, after all the 5 planned treatments, now we should have an actual treatment, TRT01A. Now how to create a TRT01A? Now this is the derivation they had given. By reading this derivation, try to explain it to me what we should do. Okay, this is the clue they had given. This is the text they had given. Tell me what should I do?
Already started, sir.
What do you want me to do?
So to the EXST DTC.
First unique, understand this, first unique, non-missing EX dose and dose units in EX sorted by EXSTDTC. For example, if the subject has EX dose and dose units in the order sorted by EXSTDTC of 30 mg, 60 mg, 120 mg, 180 mg, then TRT01A is equal to what the value should give?
30 mg.
30.
I'll give an example, so you tell me what we should do. Okay, I'm going to write for one subject. There is a subject called 101. Okay, and then we have a variable called EX dose, and then we have a variable called EX dose units, and then we have EX STDTC. Okay, 101 did the 30 mg, and this is an mg, and it did on 10th of January. Just imagine. And he did the same thing on 11th January, 12th January, 13th, 14th, and 15th January. The same 101, again, this time, he did 60 mg. The 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st. Okay. Now, the same 101, again he did this time, 90 mg. And he did on this one. Okay. 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th, and then 27th. Okay, just imagine like this one. Now tell me, this is the exposure domain. Now I want to create a SUBJID or USUBJID anyway. I want to have TRT01A, TRT02A, TRT03A. How many treatments he has taken, by the way? We are going to have TRT04A, TRT05.
5 treatments.
101. He took only 3 types of treatment, no? 30 mg. He took that 60 mg, and he did 90.
90.
So this is the exposure domain structure. This is the exposure domain structure, but this is how I want to have an ADS. What should I do? And by the way, I captured this one, and this one. What should I do? How to get it? Tell me as programmer's point of view.
So first dot variable.
First, you want to be sorted by first dot variable by what? Which
EX dose. EX dose.
Okay. What do you want to do? First dot process in the first dot process they out in the you will have this observation, and you will have this observation, and you will have this observation, right? Then what do you want to do?
Transpose.
When transpose in first dot can you suggest any other method?
Yes, a node key.
We can use a node key.
Yes, sir. Delete the duplicates
Okay.
and then transpose.
Okay. That's fine. First of all, we need to sort the data set by study ID, use subject ID, and the dose by using node key. What is the node key will do, by the way?
It removes the duplicate values based on bivariate.
Very good. Very good. It deletes the duplicate observations based on the pi variable value. So What is the by variable I want to, do you want to me write it? Here we have an exposure domain. I will tell you one thing. Here we have a subject called 10001. Okay, 10001 contains these many observations. How many observations he has got? 24. In the 24 observations, how many types of treatment he has taken? Can you see? 30, 60,
120.
120. So he has taken 3 different types of treatments. 30, 60, 120. Now I want to have this one, and I want to have this one, and I want to have this one. So we have 5 planned treatments, but this guy has taken 3 treatments. Now what do you want me to do? I'll sort the data by study, use subject and ex dose, and I will write the no loop key. If I write the no loop key, what will happen now? For this subject, I will get this observation, and again I will get this observation, and then I will get this observation. Then I will transpose so that the vertical data set is going to become horizontal. Understand my plan, everybody?
Yes.
So now, first of all, I'm going to sort the data. Proc sort. Data is equal to ex. Out is equal to, I want to have, say, for example, treatment data set, TRT. Now, by which ways I want to do it? By study ID, SUBJ ID, ex dose. Of course, I need to sort the data by ex because I want to have the earliest date first. No. First of all, I'm going to sort the data like this one. Now, if I execute the program, now we are going to have a data set called TRT. Where we have the TRT? Yes, here we have a TRT. But tell me, do we require all the variables? No, I do not require variables. So I want to have only study ID, and I require only use subject ID. Then I require only ex dose, and then to show it to you, I want to have a dose. I want to have ex Cdisc. So now in the sorted data, I am going to keep is equal to study ID, use subject ID, ex dose, ex Cdisc. Now select the program and execute the program. Now I am going to have a TRT again one more time. Now can you see? For 1001, earliest date we have first, then we are going to have a latest date in that way. Now tell me how many tests machine? This is the TRT 01A, actual treatment 1. This is TRT 0 to A. This is TRT 0 to A. Say for example, we have 10002. 10002 is taken. How many treatments he has taken? Can you see this one? 30, 60, 120, 180. 4 treatments. And 1000 has taken how many treatments? 30, 60, 120, and 180. And if I go deeper, there are few subjects who has taken all types of treatment. Now, can you see this subject? 30, 60, 120, 180, and 240. 5 treatments. Can you see this one?
Yes, sir.
Now, first of all, I sorted the data. Then, now again, I'm sorting the data set again. Proc sort. Data is equal to TRT. Okay. Then I want to sort this time by study ID, use subject ID, then ex dose. But while I'm sorting the data this time, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to write an option called no loop key. I cannot write no loop key here. You know why I can't write this one? Because we have an ex Cdisc here. Ex Cdisc is different, so you will not get the duplicate values in that scenario. That's why first of all I will sort the data by ex Cdisc. But when I'm getting the unique values, I don't use the ex Cdisc. Okay. ఎందుకంటే నేను ఇప్పుడు ఇది చేసినప్పుడు కనుక నేను నోట్బుక్ రాశాను అనుకోండి, ఓకేనా, then these two are not going to be same observation. Both are going to be unique because this is this is what ending? This is May 5th, this is May 6th. I should not use when I'm using a no-do key date. So that's why first of all you sort the data by, so I'm going to have an ascending dates, then I'm going to use this program. Now If I execute the program, I am going to have a TRT data set. Now, can you see for each and every subject, I am going to have unique values. Can you see 1000 we have only 3 observations. We used to have 24 observations, but now we have only 3 because it has only 3 treatment 30, 60, 120. And of course, now I do not require EXSTDC also. I will drop that EXSTDC. Yes, sir. STDC. Okay. Now I'll show you this one. Now tell me what you want me to do.
Sir, yes, those means
Those we can not put that. We don't require that one. We'll do that one later. Okay. We have EX to do. This is TRT01A, TRT02A, TRT03A. We have a vertical dimension. We need to get that into horizontal dimension. Tell me what you want me to do. We need to how to convert vertical into horizontal.
Transpose.
transpose.
So now I am writing the proc transpose. Data is equal to TRT. Now చెప్పండి నేను అవుట్ అయిపోతే ఏమవుతుందండి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పగలరా ఎనీబడి
Default data.
By default it will transpose only numerical variables and by default it cannot have an output, so it creates its own data set called data1. And what are the automatic variables we get when you write the proc transpose?
Underscore name underscore label underscore
label underscore.
call 1 to call 1.
Very good. Underscore name underscore label underscore call 1 to call 19. Isn't it? Very, very important entry question. Okay. Okay. 10. Now, but I want to have my data in my own data set. No, I want to have it as an out is equal to TRT1. Okay. And then which will I want to transpose? I do not want to transpose all. I want to transpose only expose. But how you want to transpose? I want to do it by study ID, USVPK ID. నేను USVPK రాయాలనుకోండి ఏమవుతుందో తెలుసా ఏమవుతుందండి
Only study ID.
How many variables you will get now?
No.
Call 1 2. Now how many studies ID we have? Here I have 39 observations now. No, sorry. I have 95 observations now. 95 observations become call 1 to call 95. But I want to transpose within a study, within a use subject. That's why in the bicep I'm writing now. Now I'm going to have a TRT1. Maximum, how many columns will get now? Only 5. Maximum. Now, how I can change this one now? What is this column now? This is the actual treatment 1. This is actual treatment 2. This is actual treatment 3. Now, this is actual treatment 4. This is actual treatment 5. And by the way, what variables I do not require now?
Underscore name underscore label underscore
label underscore. Now I'm going to drop both the variables here. Drop is equal to underscore name underscore label underscore. All of you guys are following the code. Could you able to follow the code? And otherwise it's going to be a waste of time. I have a predefined code. If you want, I can show the code and I will explain the code so that we can finish it in half an hour. Okay. I hope you guys can understand. You're going to reproduce once we have completed the class. Okay. I'm going to send you the data set and data sets and specification. Please try to write the code. Okay. In the real time, there's a huge demand who have knows Adams and tables and listings. We have a huge demand right now. Adams, tables, and listings. I'm taking so much of effort to explain everything. Please practice this one. Otherwise, let me know we can finish it the same thing in one class. Okay? Because at the end of the day, what people are doing, they don't do proper SGDM practice, so they lose interest. Since if you do not have a proper SGDM foundation, Adams will feel very difficult. They will come and complain. I don't know Adams. I feel very difficult, so I'm not keeping Adams and tables and these things in my resume. I'm seeing, the same complaint from so many students. We don't do that. Adams are, to be frank, easier than SGDM. If you put whatever that effort that you put for SGM, if you keep the same effort, if you put the same effort for Adams, you can become a better SAS programmer. And if you have Adams and TLS, you'll definitely get a call, and you'll be in a huge demand. There is a huge demand for Adams and TLS. Okay. Otherwise, let me know. We don't require this much of effort. We can finish everything in one class. Adams is like, just a 3-4 class FI. If you want to explain predefined code. Okay. I know it is taking time. So some of you might have complaints that duration of the course is lengthy, but trust me, it is worth. Okay. Anyway, now tell me, I have a TRT1 here. Tell me what do you want me to know? What do you want to be renamed? How do you want to be renamed? Call one S.
TRT01A.
But do you want to be rename it, or do you want to be create a new variable? Because this call will call to all these are numerical variables, but how I want to have actual treatments in the specification, how they want to have
Character.
character. So do you want to be rename, or do you want to create a new variable?
Create new variable.
Now I'm creating a TRT2 set. I'm creating from the TRT1. Now if call one not equal to null, then do what I want to do. I want to create a variable called TRT01A, which means actual treatment for period 1 is equal to, tell me what you want me to do. Put off call 1 comma. How much width you want to be give? 3 dot would be enough, right? I am writing clear. So since I'm writing a do statement, I should end with end statement and run statement. Understand this concept, everybody? ఎందుకంటే నాకు ఫ్యూచర్లో TRT1 అక్కడక్కడ మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయండి. నేను ఈ కండిషన్ రాయలేదనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుందో తెలుసా? నేను కండిషన్ రాయకుండా డైరెక్ట్గా నేను ఇలా రాసేసాను అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుందండి? న్యూమరికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ డన్ ఆన్ ద మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూస్ అని చెప్పి ఒక యూ షుడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ దట్ నోట్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్, isn't it? So to avoid that one, what should I write now? If call 1 not equal to null value, then we'll do correctly. Then better then ila rasechu, but better to write do, because that's the best way of writing the program. Let's practice. Now tell me, what should I do? If
call to
not equal to null, then do. What should I do? TRT02A is equal to put off call 2 comma 3 dot. End. Now tell me what you want to be right now. If call 3 not equal to null, then to TRT03A is equal to put off call 3 comma 3 dot, and then you should write end. Again tell me what we should write it. If call 4 not equal to null, then 2. What we should do? Then you should end. Okay. TRT04A is equal to put off
Call
4 comma 3 dot. Okay. Then again finally what do you want to be right? If call 5 not equal to null,
Not equal to mission, then do
TRT05 is equal to put off
call 4 5
call 5 comma 3 dot.
3 dot.
End. Okay. And we need to do one more thing. You only tell me what should I do. Yes, we have TRT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But how I want to have? I want to have a 30 mg, 60 mg like that one. What do you want me to do?
Concat double type MG.
Concatenate.
Symbol?
MG.
MG
MG.
within the
How they want to
condition.
have MG, by the way? They want to have lowercase, no?
Units.
And they want to have space also, no? This is how they want to
Yes.
have.
No space.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yes, we have. It looks good. Now, we don't require these. What do you want me to do?
Drop.
Drop.
How
Drop.
to drop? Drop?
Up.
Can I get like this one? So it will drop all the values which starts with
Call.
call.
All.
Yes, we call it. Now, here itself, I want to create all the 5 plant treatments. So now I'm writing the plant treatment. Then what are the plant? TRP 01P is equal to, they're asking me to hard code it. How we need to hard code it? 30 space.
30 MG.
Can you see the specification? They asked it as a, directly they asked it set to 30 mg, set to 60 mg, set to 120, set to 180, like that one. So now I'm going to do that one. Now 3, 4, 5. So TRT2, this is 3, this is 4, and this they want to have 5. And this they want to have it as an
60,
right?
20, 180 to
Then
120.
120, then 180,
180,
then they want to have 240.
240.
Very good. Now select this entire program and input the program. Now I am going to have TRT2, and this is how I have. You see, now we have 5 plant treatments, and then we have 5 actual treatments.
Actual thing.
Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Now in future, I can merge this with the other ADSL databases. Okay. Now we have done all the 5 planned treatments and actual treatments. Then what we should do? Yes, we need to create a planned sequence of treatments, actual treatment of sequence. Then how we can create that? Can you see what is the planned treatment sequence they want to have? Concatenate TRT01P, TRT02P, 3P, 4P, and 5P. Insert forward slash.
Forward slash between.
So TRT sequence P is equal to, in the same program I'm writing, TRT sequence P is equal to TRT01P
Forward slash.
forward slash
Within the forward. Forward.
double pipe symbol, TRT02P double pipe symbol, forward slash TRT03P double pipe symbol, forward slash double pipe, sorry, double pipe symbol, TRT04P
Double pipe symbol.
double pipe symbol, forward slash double pipe symbol, TRT05P.
05.
You know why we have these many treatments? What is this study? It is a crossover study. It is a dose escalation study. The subjects are having different types of doses, 30, 60, 120. Now, can you see? We have. So that means the subject 1001, 1301, first is taking 30 and 60, then first 30, then 60, then 120, then 180, and 240. Then what we should do?
TRT-SEQ A.
We need to create a TRT sequence A. Actual treatment sequence. What should I write now?
Same side.
Concatenate non-missing TRT01A, TRT02A, 3A, 4A, like that. Then how we can do that? Can I do the same thing? But ఇలా చేశాను అనుకోండి ప్రాబ్లం ఎక్కడ వస్తుందో మీరే
Yes,
చెప్పండి.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Forward slash లో వస్తుంది సార్ ముందు.
వాల్యూస్ లేకపోయినా కానీ ఏమవుతుందో తెలిసి ఇప్పుడు ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ వాల్యూస్ we are going to have the forward slash.
Forward slash system.
That is the problem that we are going to have. Can you see? So they're asking us only concatenate the non-missing values. Tell me what should I do?
If
TRT01A not equal to
If TRT01A
not equal to
missing
missing
and TRT02A not equal to missing and TRT03A not equal to missing and TRT04A not equal to missing and TRT05A not equal to missing.
then do end.
Else? Tell me what you want to write. అన్ని నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు మిస్సింగ్ అయ్యి
0.5 missing.
ఈక్వల్ టు మిస్సింగ్ అయితే కంకాటెడ్ ఓన్లీ కోటేశ్వరి గెటింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఎల్స్
is equal to
ఈ రెండు ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ అయితే ఎవరెవరు కంకాటేషన్ చేయాలండి ఇప్పుడు ఓన్లీ ఫస్ట్ ఇది కూడా ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ అయితే how many should concatenate?
only 2A. ఇది కూడా
2 కూడా ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ అయితే
Only first one.
already all equal to null.
Then alone.
then null value or
Select the program and execute the program. Go to the log window, check if you have any errors. Save the program. Yes. That's what we have written here. No? You can have what is the asset that we created?
TRT2.
Yes. Good. Then what we should do? We have done up to this one. We have now we should have treatment start date time, treatment 1 start date, treatment 1 start date time, treatment 2 start date and 3, 4, 5 like this. Now what we should do? We have created up to the treatments. Now we should have start dates. What we should, this is the exposed domain again. You know, 10001 has got 3 different types of treatments. This is the TRT01. Now what I want to do, now I want to have this date. It is a TRT01 start date. This is a TRT2 start date. This is TRT03 start date. So that means I want to have these dates. What should I do if I want to get the dates?
First dot variable.
Sort.
Don't get the first dot రాసి మళ్ళీ తర్వాత మనకి ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేయాలి కదా. Why should I write the first dot? Can't I write the proc sort? Now I am writing proc sort. Data is equal to x. Out is equal, I want to have, out is equal to, I want to have PRT dates, PRT DT. I want to sort by study ID, USUBJ ID, EX rows, and EX STDC. First of all, I'm sorting like this one. We have a data set called TRT DT. Tell me what variables you should require. I require only study ID, use subject ID. For time being, I want to have a dose. I want to have an EXSTDTC. I want to have only those 4 variables. So I am writing keep option, keep study ID, USUBJ ID, EX dose, and EXSTDTC. Now we have TRT DT. I want to have this one, this one, sorry, this one. What do you want me to do? I should write the node key, but based on which variable I want to write the node key.
EXS.
My study ID, use subject ID, and the dose. ఈ మూడింటి బేసిస్ నోటిఫికేషన్ అనుకుని ఏమొస్తుందండి? I will get this observation, and I will get this observation, and I will get this observation, isn't it? But I'll keep the dose STDTC here. STDTC వేరియబుల్ ఉంచుతాను. చూడండి ఏం చేస్తున్నాను? Proc sort data is equal to, what is the data set that we have? PRT DT. Out is equal to TRT DT1. No do key,
Okay.
but by study ID, USUBJ ID, and then I'm writing EX dose. Now we have a TRT DT1. Now can you see we have 10001. How many observations we have now?
3 observations.
3. 2, 4 observations. 3, 4 observations like that. Now I have, now tell me what should I do now? I should transpose the data. Because right now we have a vertical dimension. Now how we want to have now?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. Tell me, by the way, which variable I should transpose? EXSTDTC. By which variables I should do it? By study ID, use object ID.
Use ID.
Now I am writing proc transpose data is equal to TRT DT1, out is equal to TRT DT2, where EX STDTC by study ID USUBJ.
Use ID.
Tell me the program, execute the program. Okay, now I have a TRT DT.
1, 2, 2.
Now here we have call 1, call 2, call 3, call 4, and call 5. What is the call 1? Call 1 is nothing but the TRT 01 STT, TRT 02 STT, TRT 03 STT, TRT 04 STT, 5 STT. And we do not require these 2 variables. Tell me what you want me to do now. I
Drop.
should drop both the variables. Now here itself, I am writing drop is equal to underscore colon. That means I'm telling, please drop all the variables which are starting with underscore. Now this is what we have. Tell me what you want me to do. Data, PRT DT3 set TRT DT2 ఏం చేయమంటారండి? If call1 not equal to missing, then 2.
and
ఏమని TRT call1 లో ఏమిటండి?
TRT01 STD1
I can create these two. What is this TRT01 SDT అంటే ఏంటండి? Date numerical లో SDTM అంటే
date time.
date time numerical. Now tell me what you want me to do. TRT01 SDT is equal to input of
R1
call1 comma
date
IS 86
01 DA
dot because I want to have only date one.
date dot.
TRT01 SGTM is equal to input of call1 comma IS 8601 DT. ఇంతవరకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసి చూద్దామా? We'll execute this program up to this point and we'll check whether how we have the data. Now we have TRT DT3. Can you see? We have treatment 1 start date, treatment 1 start date time. Go to the log window. We do not have any error. That looks fine. Now we should format TRT01 SGT, date name format. Again format TRT01 SGTM. They want to have date time $15. Isn't it? That is what they asked, right?
Yes, sir. Date 15 dot.
Now tell me what should I do? What should I do?
Call to. If call to,
Call to not equal to missing value. Then
then
TRT0 to SGT, 0 to SGT is equal to
call to.
call.
Call to. Again call this.
Call 3 not equal to missing value. Then 0, 0, 3 SGT, 0, 3 SGT. Call 3 and call.
Call to. Again call 4. Again call 5.
If call 4 not equal to missing value. 0 for SGT, 0 for SGTM. Call 4, call 4. Call 5 not equal to missing value. And then this is 5, this is 5, and this is 5, and this is also 5. TRT 0 to SGT, TRT 03 SGT, TRT 04 SGT, TRT 05 SGT. And here you should write TRT 02 SGTM, TRT 03 SGTM, TRT 04 SGTM, TRT 05 SGTM. Okay. Now select the program, execute the program. Go to the log window. We don't have any errors. Open the data set. And yes, we have all the data. Then what we should know? By the way, why am I getting the null value? Is it saying anything like the numerical values? Okay, that's fine. Not a problem. Now we should drop few variables. What are the variables you want me to drop?
Call.
ఏదైనా కూడా మీరు ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు అంటే call 1
Hyphen call 5.
Yes, we know. Everything looks good. Then tell me what you want me to know. We have done everything. Only one thing left with this is. You know, this is overall treatment start date. Overall treatment start date. And this is each treatment, TRT01, TRT02 like that, right? And this is overall treatment, which is nothing but RFS-ADC. RFS-ADC with date numerical, date and time numerical. Understand? How to get this TRT SGT, TRT SGTM? RFSS ఎలా తీసుకొస్తామండి మనం? How did you get the RFSS in SGDM? But data is equal to EX, out is equal to RFSCD by study ID, USB BJ ID, and then simply with a CDC. Because I want to have each and every subject dates in a position, in like ascending order. But what will say require now? I require only study ID, use object ID, EX SDTC. Okay. Now open that RFSCD where we have RFSCD here. Tell me what you want me to know.
If first start
Data, treatment start date, set RFSCD by
Study ID.
study ID and the use object ID. If first
first
dot
start
use object ID.
subject.
Now we have a TRT SGT. What is the problem?
Again by 2 times.
Yes, we have. Now this one I want to have both date and date time. Tell me what do you want me to? Can it hear itself?
If EX estimate is not equal to
Which one? X STDC not equal to missing,
missing value,
then 2. TRT SDT is equal to input of
Input of
EX SDTC comma IS 8601 TRT SDTM is equal to input of EX SDTC comma IS 8601
TT
So TT.
then format TRT SDT date 9 dot TRT SDTM date 9.
date time 15 dot.
By the way, why
And
I forgot to write it. Sorry. We do not require this variable. I should drop that variable and won't write drop.
Here
I'll do one thing. Data ADSL underscore EX merge. What are the dataset that we have from exposure? Remember TRT2. Okay. TRT2. What is the next dataset I should merge?
EX
TRT DT3. Okay. Then we need to merge TRT ST. What are the three datasets I should merge?
TRT2,
TRT2,
TRT DT3,
TRT DT3, TRT
TRT DT.
Sandeep. Study ID.
Subject.
Yeah, we'll do that. Percentage sort. TRT2,
82
comma, study ID,
subject
this object.
sort
What's the third and second one?
TRT
KRT
83.
83. What is the third one?
KRT
KRT
updating.
80.
Yet is it does not exist. We have I'm executing all the programs together. We'll see if we have that error again or not. Oh my god. Okay. The problem with this one is library. What is the macro that we created? Remember how we created the macro?
Line STTM.
So we have given that default value STTM as a library, no? What the first data set? PRP 2.
2. Study addition.
KRT
3. SDT.
Yes.
Okay.
We must have areas underscore EX somewhere.
EX. Starting.
Yes, we have 5 planned treatments, 5 actual treatments. Then we have a sequence. Then we have a 5 start dates, so start date times, and finally we are going to have treatment start date and treatment start date time. We have everything perfect. Now, prop start data is equal to Adsl underscore DM. Okay, by
Study
ID, use subject ID. Run. What is the second data set? Ads underscore yes.
BS.
Adsl underscore BS.
Yes.
Adsl underscore PS. Adsl underscore
Yes.
PX. Yes, we sorted all the 5 data sets now, and then data ADSL and ADSL
By
merge ADSL underscore DM in is equal to A, ADSL underscore
6.
SC,
BS.
ADSL underscore VS, ADSL underscore VS, study ID, use of it.
Yes, ID. If
If A,
yeah,
because I want to have left join,
yes, sir.
and that is A. Select the program, execute the program. We have a small issue. Multiple lanes were specified for user dictionary. You can resolve that one. Go back and each and every data set and do that one. And apart from that, now this is ready.
Yes, sir.
And how many variables that we have now? 24 observations and 54 variables. Okay. And we have all that variables ready now. I think only one variable should create, and we'll do that one. We'll create all the population flags in tomorrow's class. Okay. We haven't created any population flag, but we'll try to do all the population flags in tomorrow's class as much as possible. Clear everybody so far?
Okay.
Yes,
sir.
yes. Yes, we can write directly if statement without any writing the do proofs, but do proofs is a better practice than writing simple if then statement. We can create a multiple variables if we write if then do. Yes, you can do, but as I said, it is a better practice writing if then do. And by the way, I did everything. Now I want to export all my log window to on the desktop. Okay, what should I do now? I'm creating a text file, new text document, ADSL log. ADSL, sorry. Now I'm getting the path, shift right click, copy as path, go to the program where we have the proper into. I'm getting, no,
Here.
I have given the file name, no? Oh, we have already one. Where we have the one? Oh, here we go. That's right. I'm going to delete this one. I will take only this one. Shift right click, copy as path, go to the program. I'm going to uncomment this one. I'll uncomment this one also. Okay. I have it in somewhere proc SQL. I do not require the proc SQL. I'll delete this one. Now I'm selecting the program, executing it. Everything is going to be get executed. Now I'm getting that log window here. First, we are going to export this log window. We should not have errors or warnings and issues. We should not have anything. I'm getting only this one spot.
At least one page at least.
I think we did. I have written again one more
It's
time.
the first like file name is executed.
Books are asset number. Correct? I should remove
Good
it.
end.
I should write this one at the end. So again, it will come to normalcy. First of all, I'll delete this one. I'll execute all the program without selecting anything. Now we have SAP ADSL log. Can you see? Now we have everything into this text file. Clear, everybody? And we have this warning. You should not have this warning in the real time. Please, you guys rectify this one, okay? Go back to all the programs and check where we have that length issue for use subject ID and write the length statement there so that that will be get rectified. Can you do this one? Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
This is copyrighted program for ADSL
సార్ ఒకసారి ఫార్వర్డ్ స్లాష్ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి వెళ్ళరా సార్
forward slash.
రాసాం కదా సార్ కంకటినేషన్ పైన
ఏ వేరియబుల్కి సీక్వెన్స్ వేరియబుల్.
యా సార్ సపోజ్ టీఆర్టీ 01A నాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు నల్ ఉంది కదా సార్.
You should write all possible scenarios.
సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ టీఆర్టీ 01 తీసుకుంటే సార్ డ్రగ్
TRT
01 డ్రగ్ తీసుకొని టీఆర్టీ 01A డ్రగ్ తీసుకోలేదు, మిగతా 4 డ్రగ్ తీసుకున్నారు సార్.
That's what I'm telling you. You should write all possible scenarios.
ఓకే ఓకే
You need to check the data and you should write the scenarios. What are the scenarios that you require? You should write it.
ఓకే సార్.
Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. See you in tomorrow's class. See you.